bit grubby, but here we go. We'll see how good these people are. And there's another triumph there. It's a scrambler. Okay. So anyway, what I didn't do, because it obviously doesn't make sense, is to take a video inside the sort of reception area, which is very nicely laid out with some quirky bits and pieces in there. But anyway, lovely people. Taxi arranged for a little trip into Chesterfield. Spent a few hours in Chesterfield roaming around trying to dodge more rain, and then the taxi arranged for the return journey. Big presentation for the bikes. Yeah, well impressed. Loved it. Done a fantastic job, and I would recommend them to anyone else. It appears expensive, maybe, but at the end of the day, you're protecting quite a valuable asset in the first place. So if it's easier to clean and keeps it sort of protected longer, it's a good one. It's all good with me. Also, hi to Johno, the guy on the other bike. Nice guy. Probably meet up again, if not earlier, at the ABR. Okay, so after a bit of a journey back yesterday from Supreme, I've got a few bugs and things on the screen. I'll turn the camera around, maybe. But anyway, we're going to see if this multi-purpose dry clean, if it does what it says on the tin or plastic bottle. You know, it is what it is. So I'll give it a squirt up and then we'll see. Obviously, didn't read the instructions because I'm a bloke. We don't do that. So he said leave it a minute or so. Does it actually? What does it say? Oh, shake well before use. I didn't do that either. But anyway, I'm sure he said. You just put it on, leave it a minute, and then with your microfiber cloth, give it a wipe over. It said microfiber cloth. Not sure what the it would have been about a minute or whatever. So. Some debris on there, some flies. I was riding back yesterday and popped the visor down, and inside, but there was I think it was a wasp. Sort of hoping it wasn't, but there's a wasp sort of then trapped inside my
flying around in front of my eyes, and element of panic as I opened up the visor again. So, yeah, but yeah, I think that does what it says on the tin. I think we all agree that's a pretty clean visor. So.